it's here, the April 2024 Ipsy Boxycharm. Thanks for helping me choosing the products. The first one here is Deep Cleanser with Red Clay by First Aid Beauty, and then we have these two lip liners by Misha Beauty. These are in shades Worthy and Beloved. The Beloved is a little bit darker, and they give these sharpeners at the end. That's what I love about lip liners that come with the sharpener. So yeah, this is the swatch for Beloved. It's a bit darker, and for Worthy, you can see it is a little bit lighter, but the formula is beautiful. They just glide smooth. And then from Kosas, we got this powder in the shade Feathery. It's nice. I'll know better later when I use it in the makeup. And then by Lucky Chick, we got this lip and cheek multi-stick. It's creamy formula. The shade is Lucky Life. And yeah, that looks nice. So the next one is by Kayali. So people voted a lot. And as soon as I opened the packaging, I was able to smell it. The Dow in spring. Now I know why you wanted me to get. So even for next boxes, we'll keep doing the same. I'll let you guys choose and we'll see together. It's really helpful. Thank you so much.